Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Delta Faucet Nicoli Gold Bathroom Faucet, a stunning addition to any bathroom with its sleek champagne bronze finish. This single-handle faucet is designed for both single-hole and three-hole, 4-inch sink configurations, and it even includes an optional deck plate for easy 3-hole installation. You'll appreciate the convenience of having the necessary supply lines and a coordinating gold pop-up drain assembly included right in the box. Not only is this faucet stylish, but it's also eco-friendly, as it's WaterSense labeled, meaning it uses at least 20% less water than the industry standard, helping you save money without sacrificing performance. Plus, you can install it with confidence, knowing it's backed by Delta Faucet's limited warranty. Whether you're renovating your bathroom or just looking to upgrade, the Delta Faucet Nicoli Gold Bathroom Faucet is a perfect choice for combining elegance and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.